Hello everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload videos to Canva step by step. If you're creating YouTube videos, social media posts, presentations, or any other design, uploading your own videos to Canva is quick and easy. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm already inside my Canva project. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Upload section. Click on it and then open the Videos tab. This is where Canva stores all of the videos you've uploaded to your account. If you're uploading a video for the first time, simply click the Upload Files button. A file browser will open on your computer. From there, select the video you want to use. Canva supports popular video formats such as MP4, so most videos from your computer or smartphone will work without any problems. After selecting your video, Canva will begin uploading it automatically. The upload time depends on your internet connection and the size of the video file. Larger videos may take a little longer, while smaller videos usually upload within a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear in the Videos section, just like you can see on my screen. To add it to your project, simply click on the video thumbnail. Canva will automatically place it onto your design canvas. Now you can easily move the video anywhere on the page by dragging it with your mouse. If you want to make it larger or smaller, drag any of the corner handles to resize it while keeping the correct proportions. From here, you can continue editing your video inside Canva. You can trim the video, add text, insert graphics, apply animations, include background music, add transitions, and customize your design to match your project. Canva provides all of these editing tools directly inside the editor, so you don't need any advanced video editing experience. Uploading videos to Canva is useful for creating YouTube intros, promotional videos, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, Facebook posts, business presentations, educational content, and many other creative projects. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, uploading videos to Canva is a simple process that only takes a few clicks. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.